All right, fire officials are sounding the alarm about space heaters. This comes after they sparked at least 2 fires in Montgomery County in the past week. One fire erupted near Randolph Road. Officials say that the heater likely malfunctioned or overheated. Now, the other was on Gordon Road and was fueled by clutter that was too close to the space heater unit. Now, a spokesperson for DC Fire says that while space heaters are common, they're often underestimated. In fact, space heaters are the most dangerous type of home heating equipment, causing 1,700 blazes per year and an average of 70 deaths and 160 injuries. That's according to the Consumer Product Safety Commission. Now, safety experts say that it's a good idea. They recommend that space heaters that you buy come with built-in safety features, including an automatic shutoff in case of overheating or a sensor that will turn the unit off if it tips over. It's also important to make sure that any space heater that you have carries a third-party safety certification. Also, there's this. Always turn the space heater off when you leave your home or you go to sleep at night. Place that space heater on a flat, stable surface. The experts also recommend floors or tables or some kind of elevated surface. Do not use an extension cord or power strips with a space heater because they say this can result in overheating. Instead, just plug that space heater directly into a wall outlet. So, if you have a space heater, make sure that you follow all those rules. And most importantly, when you go to bed or you leave the home, turn it off. Make sure that it's unplugged.